Hey people, in 2026, we all use powerful AI like Claude every day. But are you comfortable letting Anthropic or OpenAI see everything you type? Today, I am showing you the best combination for maximum privacy and safety. Duck.ai from DuckDuckGo paired with Claude. You get Claude's smart, harmless responses completely anonymously, no account, no tracking, no training on your data. Stick around for the full live demo on Parrot Linux. Normal way, you go to Claude AI, log in. I was already logged in and every prompt can be stored or used for training. Even if you turn off training, your IP and chats are linked to you. Duck AI changes that. It acts as a privacy shield. DuckDuckGo removes your IP, anonymize the request, and has contracts so provider delete data fast. Usually within 30 days, chats stay local on your device. You can even hit the fire button to burn everything instantly. This is why many call Duck AI one of the safest way to use frontier models like Claude in 2026. Let's open https://duck.ai right now. No login. You see a clean chat. On the site or top you can pick models. Free ones include Claude, GPT variants, Llama, Mistral. Paid DuckDuckGo subscribers get stronger Claude Sonnet or Opus version. I am picking Claude right now. See, it feels exactly like using Claude but privately. Watch this. I will ask a normal question. See how fast and thoughtful Claude answers. But behind the scene, DuckDuckGo proxied it. Anthropic does not see my IP or link it to me. You can upload PDFs or images too. They stay private. No chats stored on DuckDuckGo servers. Recent chats are local only. Fire button clears everything. No training quick deletions. Even Claude AI's incognito mode still sends data directly. It best for researching sensitive topics, writing without big tech knowing, students or professionals handling confidential info. Tip number 1, always pick Claude model inside Duck.ai for strong harmlessness privacy. Tip number 2, use it in DuckDuckGo browser for extra protection. Tip number 3, test with your own prompts. Try summarizing a document privately. Here's a live example. I will summarize this article. See this. It's not perfect. Limits on free tier. Voice uses OpenAI backend but still anonymized. For ultimate privacy, some run local models. But Duck AI plus Claude is the easiest strong option right now. Compared to plain ChatGPT or Gemini, much better privacy layer. So, Duck AI combined with Claude gives you top tier AI power with real privacy in 2026. Go to Duck AI right now, pick Claude and try it. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Linux plus privacy tutorials. Comment below which model do you use privately. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next one.